better. Believe that's butter. Okay, so check it out. I'm trying to toast some buns here, but I'm all out of soft, room temperature butter. So I can take a stick from the fridge, but if you put it on here and try to nuke it for 15 seconds, you know that the bottom is just going to pull out, the top's going to be hard. So how do you thaw butter quickly so that it's soft all the way through? Let me show you. Okay, crazy trick, but stick it straight up and down, okay? When you put it on the side like that, all the heat kind of radiates from the bottom. That's why the bottom just pulls out like liquid and the top's still hard. But straight up and down, it's a little bit more even. Set that for about, standard microwave, probably about 18 seconds. Okay, so check it out. Just pulled it out and it's going to be soft, but it's going to be uniform. It's not just going to be liquid right out of the bottom. And 18 seconds may be a little bit much for some microwaves. Okay, we're pretty soft here. Maybe should have gone 16 seconds. Thanks again for watching. Please share this video. It's a great trick. It helps to really soften that butter a lot more uniform than just sticking on there and plate. Okay? And anyways, you guys have a great day. Thanks again.